Express and the destination Yognagri, Rishikesh. In the city of processions, braving the rain and the traffic, somehow, by the divine grace of God, we managed to board the train even after reaching Howrah station after the scheduled time of departure. That is a different anxiety to remember for a lifetime, and we slowly settled in our designated berths with bags and baggages.
This is a dinner. Luchi Pie.
The first night passed by in a good night's sleep, and soon after, in the morning, we crossed the ancient ghats of Banaras. We filled our water bottles from the RO water dispensers available in the major stations. 1 liter of water costs only 5 rupees. The train has so many halts, and in every station, innumerable passengers with unreserved tickets board the reserved compartment and makes it super crowded. It was a long day, and to break the monotony, we sometimes had snacks, talked to our heart's content, or just took a nap.
अंदर का पूरा बाकी है। हाँ, मेन फिर भी हो गया है, बस थोड़े बहुत जो डिजाइन है बनता रहता है मंदिर में सब। स्ट्रक्चर टा हो वैसे।
तुम कब आ गए? तुम कब आ गए दर्शन के लिए?
जब राम लल्ला बुलाएंगे तो आऊंगी।
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आंसर हो गया ना, डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर।
ऐसा ही होता है। तुम सोचोगे कि मैं चाहूंगी वहाँ पे, ऐसे नहीं होते। तब भगवान बुलाते हैं तब भी होते हैं।
There is no pantry in this train, but food is made available by the railway staff. One veg thali is 130 rupees and egg thali 140. Food was decent but overpriced. The second night too passed by, and we were happy to arrive at Haridwar in the morning.
Good morning and welcoming you all from the train itself to Devbhoomi, Haridwar. We have come here from Howrah by the Doon Express. The train is running late by 2 hours and we have already reached Haridwar. But in this trip, our first destination is the Kedarnath temple. So we have thought of deboarding at the Yognagri Rishikesh railway station. It is a newly opened railway station which started operating from 2021. It cuts short the distance from Haridwar to Rishikesh. So we have decided to go to Rishikesh by train itself. In this trip, our first destination is the Kedarnath temple. For that, we need to go to Sonprayag. We have already booked our bus ticket from Amazon. And we will go from Rishikesh to Sonprayag by bus. The bus timing is at 9 a.m. and we will reach Sonprayag by 5 in the evening. And bus fare, how much? 900, yeah. 900 rupees per person, and extra GST we had to pay 90 rupees. So the total fare was 1890 for 2 people.
The station Yognagri Rishikesh is relatively new. It is clean and so beautiful in the lap of nature.
Kalinga Utkal Express scheduled to leave at 5 hours 35 minutes. Kalinga Utkal Express 478 from Yognagri Rishikesh.
Our boarding point is from the Natraj Chowk, and in the Google map we saw that it is 950 meters away from the railway station. So we have decided to go by walking. It will take around 10 minutes. After walking for 10 minutes from the Rishikesh railway station, we have already come to the Natraj Chowk. Our boarding point of the bus to Sonprayag is from the Annapurna Hotel. Quite a number of restaurants are over here. From there you can have your breakfast. Like aloo paratha is 40 rupees, but we had veg biryani because we prefer to eat rice. Even that was available for 40 rupees a plate.
The bus to Sonprayag arrived almost at the right time, and we started our journey through the winding ways of the mountains. It briefly stopped for breakfast cum lunch and then proceeded again towards our destination.
Just 10 kilometers left to reach Sonprayag. We came at this spot at 4:30 in the afternoon. Right now it is 7 o'clock and we are stuck over here for the last 2.5 hours. There is a long queue in front and we don't know for how long we'll have to stay over here. Some people are telling the queue might last till 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock at night. So we really don't know what to do. There is no eatery also nearby. We filled this water bottle from natural water from the mountains. It's 20 minutes past 9. We are already in the bus for the last 12 hours and 20 minutes. We have still not reached Sonprayag. But we are extremely hungry. Sudeep brought one. He bought one Maggi for 50 rupees. We are having that now. It's quite tasty. It's 10 o'clock now and still Sonprayag is 2 kilometers far from here. There is too much of traffic jam, so we got down over here to have dinner. After that we will go to hotel by walking. Actually everyone is doing the same. We have ordered veg thali, which is 150 rupees per person. In Sonprayag, we are staying at Devlok Hotel and Restaurant. This is our room. It's a bit small but nice and cozy. We are grateful to God that at least we got the room. So many pilgrims are staying outside in this cold. I don't know how they are managing everything. Their willpower and dedication is really worth appreciating. This room is for 3,000 rupees
per night.
per night. Yes.
A small tiny room.
But it's clean. The geyser is there. We haven't taken bath for 2 days because we were in the train. Now we take bath and I just want to sleep.
And the toilet is clean. And you won't complain about it.